Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can add form builder to your Wix website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you will get on this site called Elsite. Elsite is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is a form builder. So go to right top corner, sign up for free. Now when you're going to sign up for free, you want to sign with Gmail, Facebook or normal mail, really up to you. And when you got it, click login. Right here in Elsite applications, you want to write in search form. And then on a third thing, you're going to have form builder, or like second or first. Now you can have contact, survey, feedback, booking. Really just choose which form builder you want. Let's continue with the template. Now you can edit everything here with a name, email address, phone. You can even add like label, number scale, star scale, even I can add it, right? Then you have mail here where you can like, where do you want to get those mails? Settings, again simple, and appearance. Let's click save. Right after you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you can have 5,000, 50 or 5 million, go with the basic pro or enterprise. Let's copy the code here. Now, simply click add, empty widget, enter code, paste the code, update. And voila, here we got it. Pretty simple, pretty easy. And yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And when I'm going to preview the website, look at this, it works flawlessly. And yeah, see ya.